Hi everybody, my name is Alexandra from WTI, and I just ordered my favorite Maybelline Ultimate lipstick in the color Mauve.
This is a long-lasting lipstick with a lightweight formula that will never dry out your lips. This Ultimate Slim lipstick has the most high-impact color. It delivers full intensity color for all-day wear.
This color is so fully pigmented. I mean, just look at how easily that glides on and how rich that color is.
Here's how the color looks in some natural lighting. And most of all, my favorite part is just how matte the finish is. You have no excessive shine, and it's transfer proof. It's even small enough to perfectly fit in your tiny bag. Its compact size means that you can take it wherever you go, so you're always ready for a touch-up.
And that's my point of view.